As an AI language model, ChatGPT has the ability to generate responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. Its growing popularity has made it a valuable tool for various applications such as customer service, education, and even creative writing. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and there are several ethical implications that must be considered when using ChatGPT. Firstly, the use of ChatGPT must be guided by ethical principles such as transparency, fairness, and accountability. It is important to ensure that users are aware that they are interacting with an AI language model and that they understand the limitations of its abilities. It is also important to ensure that the responses generated by ChatGPT are fair and unbiased, and that the model is not used to propagate misinformation or discriminate against certain groups of people. Secondly, the use of ChatGPT raises concerns about privacy and data security. As an AI language model, ChatGPT requires access to vast amounts of data in order to function effectively. It is important to ensure that this data is collected and stored in a secure and ethical manner, and that users have control over how their data is used and shared. It is important to consider the responsibility for decisions made by ChatGPT. While the AI is designed to assist with decision-making, ultimately humans are responsible for the outcomes. It is crucial to carefully consider the inputs and outputs of the AI, as well as potential biases and ethical implications of its recommendations. As such, there is a need for transparency and accountability in the use of ChatGPT to ensure that decisions made with its assistance align with ethical and moral standards. The use of ChatGPT involves the processing and storage of large amounts of data, including personal and sensitive information. It is important to consider the ethical implications of how this data is collected, used, and protected. The responsibility of ensuring data privacy and security rests with the organizations that use ChatGPT, and they must take appropriate measures to protect this data from unauthorized access or misuse. Failure to do so can result in significant harm to individuals or society as a whole. It is important to avoid biased or discriminatory outcomes in the use of ChatGPT. As an AI model, ChatGPT's outputs can be influenced by the data it is trained on, and if that data is biased or discriminatory in nature, the output can also be biased or discriminatory. Therefore, it is crucial to be aware of the potential biases in the training data and take steps to mitigate them, such as using diverse training data, carefully selecting data, and cleaning the training data. Practices should also include the implementation of fairness measures in the model. In conclusion, the ethical considerations surrounding ChatGPT are crucial to ensuring that the technology is used responsibly and ethically. It is important to consider the responsibility for decisions made by the AI, protect data privacy and security, avoid biased or discriminatory outcomes, and take steps to minimize bias in the data used to train the model. By being mindful of these considerations, we can ensure that ChatGPT brings maximum benefits to society while minimizing negative consequences.